Hi, welcome to Hard to Read Info. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your auto brightness isn't working. So the first way to fix it is just to clean your ambient glass with the light sensor in your front camera. So in your front camera you have ambient sensor that always checks for the light. And if you have some case that just covering this sensor, so sometimes because of it your auto brightness doesn't work. So you can try to remove the case, make sure that your auto brightness is enabled in this way. Here you should enable auto brightness and remove your cover. And if without the cover it works, so it's just because covering the sensor, and because of it can't detect the light and can't adapt your screen brightness to awareness. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.